Okay, this is for presentation on the 28th of January, and it's looking at Mentalese, which I'm going to call for the session the language of the brain. If we look at the brain, traditionally it's understood that on the left side of the brain is better at sequential and linguistic knowledge, so like lists and text-based type of things. Apparently on the right side of the brain is better suited for holistic and visual information, and this is said to come from our ancestors, nomad hunters, who would remember information in terms of a sort of simple geometry. I'll come on to that in a bit. For this reason, it's very useful in terms of software, etc., that use headings, because these are actually a recall triggering device, and headings and symbols and such like are actually representational of a deeper understanding. So symbols are representational means of indicating a deeper understanding, so it will trigger off other things more complicated, which is the sort of 3 levels of understanding. I think it's to comprehend. I'll come back to that. And this is close to Mentalese, which is the language of our ancestors. If we consider, say, you might think that water could be associated with being near a rock, as in this little sketch here, and that in turn might lead to associations of food in terms of fish, water. So the mind that works historically are in terms of evolution in simple geometric sort of constructions. And the point is, I think that graphical representations exploit our innate Mentalese language. So just to recap, the left side of the brain is sequential and linguistic, text-based. However, it's worth considering that the right side of the brain is holistic and visual, and that we can use this in our learning aids. I'm going to ask any questions now.